You're going to love the 2013 Hyundai Genesis Coupe. Hyundai made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Hyundai prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated seats, and one-touch window functionality. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Hyundai also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop in and take a test drive.